Hello, in this video I'll be explaining how Photoshop helped me in making the production of my magazine. Overall, Photoshop was really helpful as it helped me create almost all of the magazine and create features and put everything together, making it look authentic. A specific feature I'm going to be looking at for this video is how I made this sticker here. Features what made this unique is making the gradients and the crops and stuff like that, which you can't do in anything else. So firstly, I made a few circles. Make sure this one's a bit smaller than the first one. Seems like it should be fine. Yep, that's good. And now the last circle. So that it looks like this. Okay. Now what I want to do is make sure for this bottom layer here, I want to make sure it's only this last ring. So this light red is not going to be here in the first place. So I'm going to try and make a circle which is around the same size. Make that again just so it's a bit bigger. Need to make it very close to the actual size of the light red ring. It's almost, I'm going to try one more time. That should be good. And now I crop that. Now if I remove this, you'll see it's cropped like this, and this looks perfect. Can delete this layer. And now I'm going to merge this one and the one below. So now you'll see it's both on there. Now, to get this effect here, as if it's folding, as if someone's peeling the sticker off, I'm going to crop one part of the sticker, which is around here. Control, and I'm going to cut it. So now, it's two different parts. Now I'm going to slide it onto another. Now I'm going to slide it here, so that way I can rotate the image rotation, move it horizontally. It's like this. The reason I'm doing it on another slide is so that it doesn't rotate the whole image like it would normally would. So now I'll put it here. I would not be needing this layer, so I'm deleting it. And now you can see it would go here. Obviously you can't see because of the color. So now I'm going to have to change the color. I'm going to select this and both. Control it. Clicking the shift button so it clicks both. And now I'm going to make the gradient. Click gradient tool here. And I'm a fan of the red color, so I'm going to keep the red color, but I'm going to use a light red here. Let's go somewhere around here. That should be good. Now I mess with it. Almost there. And that should be good. Now I'm going to do the same here, but I'm going to have a golden effect now. So now I select this layer. To get that golden effect, I'm going to go on the gradient again. Click any color. Make a few more of these. Let's make one more here. Now let's make a golden color. Orange here, and let's have the same orange color here. Let's get a yellow here. You can see what it's going to look like around here. Now let's go for another. Let's go a bit lighter, maybe a bit more. Like that. And now let's go for a very light color here. That should be good. Clicking OK. And now I'm going to select this one. The mistake I made there is I didn't select all of it. Now let's try. And look at that, very nice golden effect. Now, we put this together. Looks as if it's folding just because it's lighter here and darker there. We merge these two together. And now you can rotate it from any angle and just add the writing. And that's how I made the sticker. It's features like this which you can't make on any other software, which is why Photoshop was really helpful in making this. I use the same type of gradient tool here as well as here. And thank you.